Hi everyone, this is Shayla at ConceptShell. I'm here setting up my Filipino Americans of Seattle, aka Fil-Am pins. I'm doing this so I can share with people. I don't only want to be an artist or a designer who makes money just to pay the bills. I want to show others tips and tricks and help the youth who are early in their design careers, or maybe help those who are thinking about getting into it. A design friend recently asked me, hey, can you show me the process of making a pin? So, I think people think once you draw something that the production part is really easy, but it's not as simple as you think. You have to be very detailed. That's why there are production designers. So shout out to those designers who do their thing. Without production designers, we wouldn't be able to see clean embroideries, clean printing, and all of that. Graphic designers and production designers work hand in hand oftentimes. I do this because it does a ton of positive things for me and for the print vendor when setting up your artwork for print. An example you can see here, while I was changing the colors or editing the design, there are some tiny leftover dots or lines that get left behind. There could be hidden, redundant pieces in there. You could see there are multiple duplicate blues. There could be things that you wouldn't see unless you were looking at it in an outline format. So on this video, you can see I'm working here in Adobe Illustrator. It's one of my favorite programs. I've always loved to use this since I first started as a designer. I'm looking at all the connected colors. I want to make sure all the repeated colors are mended together, like the Space Needle on top. You can see that it's not blended in with the blue above it around the outline in the S. This is a super tedious process. So shout out again to the production designers. You are so important. This is something I learned way early in my professional design career. I started in the signage and reprographics industry. I used to design, make and cut stickers, decals. I wrap cars. I put things up in retail windows. You have to just be really meticulous about this work, because if you get something wrong, you have to go back and fix it until you get it right. And the production person is making sure that they catch anything that needs to be fixed for you. Some include this cost to fix your artwork, some don't. And, they could charge you an arm and a leg. So imagine that when you draw something from scratch, someone like me, I'm pretty old school. I love starting out with a pencil. It takes a lot of time going from pencil and then getting it to a point where it'll be clean for production when you digitize it, on the computer. I always start by sketching. So, to get to this point here, I'm really excited about these designs. I'm pushing 3 of my color treatments into production soon, and this design here, it's really important to me because we're celebrating Filipino American Heritage Month during the month of October. I'm a Filipino American. I was born in Seattle. I spent my childhood in Seattle. I grew up on Beacon Hill around RB. I spent my teen years around Skyway and Renton, where I went to school. And, this is my second piece that's been trademark licensed with the Space Needle LLC. So this is official Space Needle artwork that you see here. And I'm just so stoked about it. Thank you to the Space Needle team for approving this. I'm so excited to get it out there. And, this month of October 2024, this is the first month I've been doing ConceptShell 100%. Shout out to all of you who always share the love by messaging me or telling me, that my art and design work has inspired you. You all motivate me to keep doing what I love. So, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And so, coming to the end of the video here, just want to say, if you like what you see, you want to learn more, just drop me a comment below. Let me know questions, or tell me what else you'd like me to share with you next. All right. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day and hope to see you again. All right. Take care.